Qëndron edhe kryeministri në detyrë Albin Kurti, a i takoi edhe disa student atje, atyre u tha se Kosova ka bashkëpunim të mirë me Amerikën në fushën e mbrojtjes dhe ekonomisë, por duket se po qalon në fushën e diplomacisë. Në vazhdim do ta ndjekim një deklarim të Kurtit.
Relationship with US is a three-dimensional, 3 Ds, it's defense, development and diplomacy. To be honest, defense is better than that. You know, in purchasing armament and ammunition in this current administration is more convenient for us than the previous one. When it comes to development, MCC program has not been suspended, Millennium Challenge Corporation. We are getting $202 million of grant for battery storage for renewables, which is also very good. We would prefer a bit more American investments, but perhaps this will change in the future. Where we're having some obstacles is in diplomacy. Because in my view, US considers very important to take over